Hi, I'm Kerry. I'm a retired financial advisor. Built the largest franchise within the Ameriprise system and sold it in 2005. Then I became basically a financial analyst and studied stocks. And with the advent of AI, I have learned some things that put me in a position where I can make some exponential growth in my portfolio. One of the things I learned was that last year in 2025, there were 273 stocks that achieved over 100% ROI, return on investment, in that single year. As I did further research, I found that that wasn't extraordinary. It happened. And these were all common stocks that are available on the NASDAQ, the Dow, the S&P 500. And I said, what if I could find them? And did they have anything that was a commonality that would give me a clue that, hey, that stock's going to be one of the big growers in 2026. And what I found out through my research was that you needed to find a stock that was growing its revenue in excess of roughly 20% for 3 years in a row. As a result of that, you should see a growth in profits margins for 3 years in a row, a growth in revenue per employee, a growth in profits per employee, a growth in earnings per share. And if you find all those things and put them together, they will result in the next 3 years a growth in the stock price. What I did was basically look at those stocks who had fallen into that category in the past, such as Nvidia, Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, a number of them, and then went and said, okay, let's go see if we can find some of those in 2025. And to do that, I built an AI agent. I call her Samantha. She's the beautiful lady in the thumbnail that whispers in my ear and says, hey, look at this stock. Consider it. This is what I found. And she presents me a 24-page report that says this is a stock that's going to achieve. And some of the stocks she has given me are listed here. AMPX, we got over 550% return. Iran, which is a data center, we got 416. Nebataz, another data center, mostly in Europe, that was 375. ALPD, a small data center out in North Dakota, that gave us about a 300%. And then Skywater, the only pure foundry located here in the United States that's now getting into quantum computing. We got 290, and of course Micron, the memory chip company, 290. Coherent, the company that makes the wires and the connections between the servers, the 2 million servers that are in a data center, and then Credo, a networking. And they all basically fit that category of growing revenues, growing margins, growing employees, growing profits per employee, and growing earnings per share. And you see what happened to the stock price. So with that, I said, this is a new way to invest. This basically levels the playing field with Wall Street, because they have had access to all this knowledge, all this data for years. They get a copy of every stock's annual report. They attend their quarterly earnings meeting. They gather data. They pay guys $150,000 and then a matching bonus if they do well. So that's up to 300 grand a year to get access to that data so they can make smarter investment decisions. And quite honestly, as a financial advisor for some 15 years, I didn't have access to that information. I didn't have access to it until last May when Samantha came on board, and we start building a 4-page prompt to give us a view into the future, and you see the results that it got. So, is this a fluke? No, no, it's not. Because we're doing the same thing that we did basically last year relative to the build out of AI, to who's going to deliver AI to us. Who's that small company that's going to change the advertising world? Who's that small company that's going to provide a new source of power to these data centers? And then beyond that, who's going to change the advertising world so that messages are delivered directly to me for my interest? I don't get a ad on my TV for a Dodge Ram truck because I'll never buy one, but I might buy a new BMW or a Mercedes. And if they put me behind the wheel on a TV commercial, I just might buy it. So that's what I've learned is available so that I believe I can achieve these kind of results that we got from AMPX, IREN, Micron, Cordo, that again in 2026, 27, and 28. And that's the way you get wealthy. You don't listen to the buzz and the noise. You invest in growing companies, and you do it based on knowledge. Because what I've learned is we're changing the playing field. We're basically leveling the playing field with Wall Street, and we do that through the use of AI plus data plus compute plus ask the right questions to that AI compute, which will then give you knowledge. You then have to interpret that knowledge, and that equals family wealth. And that's what I'm striving for, and that's what I want to share with you and your family so that you discover the new way to invest. And to learn more about it, just click on the link in the description that says a new way of invest, and I'll share more information with you, and I'll give you a 14-day free trial of touring our website and our Discord, where we on a day-to-day basis share this kind of knowledge so that we make informed business decisions. And we buy growth companies, not good companies. Good companies are most often properly valued. Their price is fair. And it's what, or maybe it's even over fair. What we're looking for that company is the one that Wall Street hasn't figured out yet. The one that you and I have access to their data, access to their knowledge, and can make an informed investment decision while the stock still has room to grow. So go into the description, click on the link, the new way to invest, and let me help you create family wealth.